Hey everyone, welcome back to Pickles Barbecue. This is Charlie at Pickles Barbecue. What we're going to be doing today is kind of special. It's a cooking with CJ. So he's doing a meal for his wife. I'll leave the link down below to his channel. He's a phenomenal dude and a really good chef too. But my wife decided to choose chicken drumsticks. So what we're doing today is chicken drumsticks, a little bit different spices and rubs and everything else. I'll leave those links down below too. And then a side of the best ever potatoes. So stay tuned. Catch y'all later. Let's get our cook on.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take about 12 coals out from the pit. We're going to put those in, make a hole. And I've got 3 seasonings I'm going to use. These are the potatoes. So I'm going to use It's Incredible, Nashville hot, which I just bought from the store, and then Richest River dirt. And all these should be good. We have about 11 drumsticks, so we're going to go ahead and try those on those guys.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So we got our potatoes boiling. They're coming up to a boil. So we want to let those boil for a little while. We'll kind of turn them off and we'll take care of those. Right now, what we're going to do our chicken drumsticks. So I'm going to go ahead and season those up.
I'm using these 3 rubs. Use your own favorite rub. It's Incredible, Richest River dirt. I'll leave links through these below. The last one is Nashville hot.
Hey y'all, we're back again. So what we're going to do is, it's been about 20 minutes, so we're going to check on the potatoes. They've been like at a good boil for a while. All you want to do is get the outside, tender, about fork tender, but not cook it all the way through. That's what we got. That's about right. So the outside's tender. We don't want to cook it all the way through. We're going to finish it up on the grill.
So we do want to finish this up on the grill. I'm draining the potatoes and I'm adding some Cajun spice. You can add whatever spice you want. You can add salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic itself. I only have 4 potatoes, so I'm adding like about a tablespoon of olive oil. My secret ingredient is baking soda. So baking soda is an alkaline, and it works real well to actually crisp up those potatoes. So you want to add about, for 4, I ended up using about half a teaspoon, and it does help crisp them up a heck of a lot. And then I added more Cajun spice afterwards. What you want to do right now is rough them up a little bit, because you do want those edges. And you want kind of a rough edge to those things, and they will break up because we did parboil them.
Hey y'all, the chicken legs are cooking. I just want to give you a quick peek at what we're looking at here.
So we got one sauce that I really want to try, the Carolina Q vinegar based sauce. Another one is just Grumpy's Black Label from the local store down the street. And then last and not least is Brothers Original barbecue sauce, standard old barbecue sauce.
This is optional step. So what we're gonna do is we have a habanero, 2 jalapenos, a Fresno chili, which is basically the same thing as a jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Hopefully you can see that. I just melted it in the microwave. About 1.25 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead and start dumping these things in. All we want to do is make a simple injection. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the blender. Wise idea. Wear gloves when doing this, or never touch yourself for the rest of your life, because this will be spicy. And we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave the seeds in, because we're gonna go ahead and strain it afterwards for the seeds and the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those guys in. Just whole. I'm just cutting off the ends. So we're gonna inject this. We like spicy. Like I said, this is optional. Don't ever touch yourself after doing this.
So I did put those in the blender and did inject it into the chicken drumsticks, and boy was it good. I only used a couple, you'll see in a second or two, and I did add a full lime too. Tasted it, added a couple of tablespoons of honey, added some salt, and then strained it out.
So ideally, you actually should inject before you put the rub on. But I'm going to go ahead and inject one of each anyhow. I already put the rub on. So I'm going to go ahead and push this in. Just going to like gently pull out. Same thing on a couple of different sides. Hey y'all, so we're running pretty hot right now. I just popped the door so we can kind of bump up the coals a little bit. But what we're looking at is about 250 to 300 degrees. And then we'll go ahead and throw our drumsticks on. Go ahead and take a look if you want. So don't forget, these are the It's Incredible ones. Put these on this side. All we want to do is smoke them for probably about an hour, hour and a half. Can also do these in the oven too. Same thing with the potatoes. We're gonna finish up the potatoes on here too. So as soon as these spend a little bit of time on the grill, we're gonna put our potatoes on too. Hey y'all, so we got our chickens on here. So we got our drumsticks. All I do is turn them over. They look real good already. I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna go ahead and probe them for temperature too. So we'll go ahead and turn them over. We do have a water pan in there. The grill's been running about almost close to 300, about 285 or so. It's been running pretty hot, even with the water pan in there, because I have all the vents open. So what I'm gonna do right now is kind of shut it down a little bit. So I'm gonna shut some of those vents down. Oh man, we're getting some good smoke too. This looks delicious. And next up, let's probe these guys. Let's see where they're at. So this guy right here, it's in about 150, 155, 100, almost 160. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the potatoes on too. That was a heck of a lot quicker than I thought it was gonna be. It's only been nearly an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the potatoes on too. Be right back with you. Hey y'all, so what we're gonna do right now is we already put our potatoes on. So those potatoes are going on. I added a little bit more water to the fire, to that water pan. I'm gonna go ahead and throw our chicken legs back on. And they're reading about like 155 or so. So it should not take them very long at all. So we'll go ahead and throw that. Go ahead and throw all these guys on. And hopefully not burn ourselves to death. Alright, cool. My people. I know you've missed that so dearly. Now the chicken is done. It's time to sauce them up. So let's get working. So we have our 11 chicken drumsticks on top of the potatoes. Potatoes are crisping up. They're looking mighty good. What we're gonna go ahead and do here, since chicken drumsticks and legs themselves are done, we go ahead and sauce them up. Hey y'all, so what we're gonna do next is gonna blow your socks off. So our chicken is ready. We'll take a look at it, we'll pull that. And then what I'm gonna do, I do wanna crisp up the potatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down in a low grate. So we'll see you back in a second or two. So we're back again. Here we got our chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Plate that up. Put on some tomatoes. These are straight off the vine. So this is kind of our garnish for our dish, along with some green onions too. And I could roast those, but
We're not gonna do that today.
Let's go ahead and take out our.
Let's go ahead and take off our chicken drumsticks. They look amazing.
And let's see what we
got going on here. So the main body of the Weber is off. I stuck all this down pretty much straight on top of the coals. The coals still burning pretty hot. So we just kind of want to want our tomatoes to break a bit. And then we want our potatoes to get crisped up. These are looking good already.
Hey everyone, so I took it all off the grill. And what we got here is, we got some grilled tomatoes. I'll get you in the real close. So I did grill the tomatoes straight on the grill. We got our potatoes right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some green onions on there. I did add some more Cajun seasoning. Here are a couple of chicken legs. So we got our chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste bite of everything. But to me, it's more about, for this time, we did a whole bunch of rubs. It's a whole bunch of fun to experiment with that. We did a bunch of rubs, we did a bunch of sauces. But to be honest with you, it's all about cooking with family and hanging out. So we're gonna do a taste bite, but it's less about the rubs than sauces. Plus also, I kind of lost track of which rubs and which sauces we were using. I think they'll all be good. I can't wait to try that North Carolina one. And that's on here somewhere too. Oh my goodness. Holy mackerel. This is an injected chicken. Man, did that turn out good. And it is dripping juicy. It is dang good. Anyhow, y'all take care till next time. Pickles out.